It's creativity.
Hello friends, I promise you that I will make something creative out of the Play-Doh that I have made. So I have made many things like sea animals, land animals, earth, some cartoon characters, some junk food and many other stuff. And I enjoyed a lot making this. Let's see how I made it.
Mickey and Minnie. First, I will make Mickey Mouse with black Play-Doh. It is very soft and it is very easy. My sister and me love Minnie and Mickey characters. Now I will put eyes and a nose and mouth. It looks like Mickey. And we can easily change Mickey Mouse to be Minnie Mouse by putting a bow and eyelashes. It's ready! Our planet Earth. Now I will make Earth by using blue Play-Doh as water and green Play-Doh as land. See, a small Earth, King Lion. Now I am making the King of Jungle, which is a lion. I am going to use orange as the hair and yellow Play-Doh to be the face. I'm making the eyes. Now the nose. It's not going to be a scary lion. It's going to be a cute one. So don't be scared. And now the mouth. Ears. It's done. Now I will make a donut with orange Play-Doh and white as cream. And now I will put colorful sprinkles on top. Now I am going to make a dolphin with long body and pointed mouth. I am going to make fins which are going to shape like leaves. Attach them very carefully and nicely. Now I am going to put eyes and eyelashes and a flower on the top. It's looking beautiful. I like it. Now I am going to make pizza using orange dough as the base and cutting it using a round cutter. Yellow dough as cheese topping, green dough as capsicum, red as tomato, black as olives. Now I'm going to cut it in 4 parts. It's ready. Now it's time to make a peacock. I'm going to use green Play-Doh as the feathers. Spread it nicely and blue Play-Doh for the body. Yellow beak, white eyes and yellow legs. Now it's time to make some details on the feathers. Let's make it colorful. And I'm going to use lots of colors and make it colorful. It's looking beautiful. Now it's time to make a cute little chicky. For that, I'm going to use yellow Play-Doh as the body. Now roll it to make it bigger. Now adding small orange legs. Now I'm adding black eyes and eyebrows. I have made a triangle orange beak for her to speak. Now I'm going to make hands and adding detailings by drawing some lines. Add it to your jig. I'm going to add a flower. It's done. It's looking cute. So this was my creativity. I hope you will try and enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.